I didn't see you there. There. Oh, I didn't see you there. Welcome to Fresh Living Cribs. Follow me. This is David's desk, where you will find, well, not much. Let's just move past this. There's nothing here. My desk, where you will find an obscene amount of pink. Let's go to Sarah's desk, which I bet you anything is going to be pristine. And Sarah's desk looks like an interior design show came in and did it. Let's check in with Brooke.
Hi there! Excuse me, I don't know how this got here. I only have the essentials. Hand sanitizer, water, a phone that doesn't work. Let's go through the drawers. Crucial as a broadcaster to make sure you have one of these at all times. We have lots of jewelry here. None of them match. A framed picture of a past coworker. There. I don't know why that's there. I have hat for every occasion. I have an apron, soccer ball. Oh wait. And a gigantic photo of myself. Anybody else want this at their desk? Laura, you can have this.
We'll pin it up at David's desk because he.
Oh my gosh, let's go put it at David's desk.
We'll just put it here.
That's good. I think David will like it. This one isn't that bad. Right? So Carrie, I have actually never physically seen her residence, and I'm not entirely convinced she doesn't live here. She has an outfit for every occasion. It's a lot of plugs, hair scrunchies, gotta have snacks, and then this is where it gets really interesting. Is she opening a shop? She's got so many shoes. I think I'm just bitter because she has cute, nice feet. Not gonna go, but I do have a hip cramp. Also has the most fabulous jewelry collection, and it looks to me that all of hers have matches. It's very important. If you ever need something, come to Carrie's desk.